Ballard is one of Seattle's most desirable and walkable urban neighborhoods, and this condo at Ballard Park is just blocks from the action. Hi, I'm Michael Jouver with Team Diva Real Estate at Coldwell Banker Bain in Seattle, Washington. Let's check out my favorite things about this sleek condo and explore the wonderful neighborhood that surrounds it. This one-bedroom condo lives larger than its square footage would belie. The open floor plan of this home offers a true feeling of spaciousness, with windows spanning the entire length of the home bringing in western, northern, and eastern light. This home always has a warm and inviting vibe. The efficient design of this home also means nary a square foot is wasted. This home is situated right off 24th Avenue and is just a few blocks from Ballard's main business district on Market Street. Around the corner on 24th, you have access to a major grocery store, small coffee shops, and one of our favorite places to go for fresh baked pastries, Cafe Besalu. Just across Market Street is Ballard Avenue, which is chock full of bars, restaurants, music venues, and boutique shops. Old Ballard is also home to one of Seattle's largest farmers markets, which recently reopened with a new format to ensure its vendors and the community stay safe during the current COVID-19 health crisis. If you crave a more outdoorsy experience, the Ballard Locks are just a short hop or bike ride away. The Locks is one of Seattle's most popular attractions, but locals love it as well. Here you can relax by the water, watch boats come and go as they transition from Lake Union out to the Puget Sound, and during certain times of the year, see jumping salmon as they make their way through the fish ladder. This stellar location in the heart of Ballard is certainly one of this condo's top features. Beyond the great location and the open design, this home has other stellar features. This kitchen has been completely updated with new cabinets, countertops, tile floors, and stainless steel GE appliances. This high-end downdraft gas stove is a rare commodity in most condos, so if you love to cook, you're gonna love this feature. We cannot talk about how much we love this home without mentioning that it has not one, but two private outdoor spaces. There's a balcony right off the dining room for you to enjoy a little al fresco dining or some sunny afternoon aperitivo sipping. There's a second balcony off the bedroom as well, so you can relax and enjoy your morning coffee before you hit the home office. A key point that makes this condo special is that it's in a small building with only 6 units. This means no huge HOA or overtaxed management company to contend with when things need to get done. And in this building, stuff gets done. With solid reserves and a small building to maintain, your HOA dues stay reasonable, and there are no huge future assets to surprise you or your budget for in the future. Just move in and enjoy living in a well-managed and well-maintained building here in Ballard. Thank you for exploring this sleek Ballard one-bedroom condo with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe us on our YouTube channel and follow Team Diva on the interwebs. This is Michael Jouver with Team Diva Real Estate at Coldwell Banker Bain, and see you next time on the lifestyles of the urban and quirky.